Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Now, in the first video, we reached out to some suppliers about our rubber bracelets, and we have some contact back just overnight, guys. I reached out to those three, and they all kind of, except the American-based one, where they said they actually source their stuff out to China, or excuse me, from China. So I actually just eliminated them because they're not really an American company. They're just uh like a middleman. So we kind of so if you remember correctly from the first video, and if you want to check out the first video, just go in the video section and look up Amazon FBA, and I think it's video 16. And I'll also leave a link down below. But we did get contact from Kate Zing and Alice Zong. I hope I'm saying these these gals' names right. So this was our basic message was do you ship directly to Amazon? Can I get different messages? What's the timing to get a sample? We'll pay for sample. And it says thanks for inquiry. Yes, we ship to Amazon. Big thing. So now I know I don't need a prep house. So I don't need a prep center to actually prep my products for Amazon. Okay? Different messages are no problems, but we will charge for the mold cost for each design. Okay? Could you send me your designs first? Regards. Okay. So I did have some designs, and I'm actually going to send them. Here are some designs, comma, and I get a quote, spell it wrong, for one, question mark, do you do custom package, question mark. So I'm going to copy that, and actually copy that because I'm going to send that to, also I'm going to send that to Alice. So that way, send that off. Okay, so it's probably going to take about another 24 hours because right now it's 3 o'clock in the morning their time, so there's nobody that's probably there. Also, okay, so now we know that I'm going to actually reach out to Alice after the video. I actually want to do some more investigating on Alice, her company a little bit more. But yeah, so now you got that. Oh, shipping costs. It's probably gonna be a little bit like it just depending on the poundage and if they do custom packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna bring out my handy dandy calculator and see what the profit margin is. And guys, this is why I tell you guys when you're first starting to actually do something a little less. If you can get a product for less than $5-10, and you can sell it and sell it rapidly, using some advertisement and good stuff like that, then you can make a lot of money. So I'm actually gonna go down here. This is Alice. We're gonna go here. So it's 29 cents per piece. Okay, remember that's 29 cents per piece. So and they have a minimum order requirement of 100 pieces. So 29 cents per piece. Let's see. Just say you doing 29 cents per piece times 100 equals 29 bucks. So it's 29 bucks. So for 29 bucks, you can have a good base product. 29 bucks. Okay. So I looked this up for if you remember from the first video, we were going off the demo of Live Strong. So I did try to add the Live Strong to my store just to see what the Amazon cost would cost, and the grand total was $340. Okay, but the Live Strong was selling for $6. Now this is your custom made product, so you can go anywhere between $5 to $9. If you remember in the first video, I saw some for $9, some for $11, but we're gonna just keep it at 8. So that's $8. Okay, let's just say $8 even, or $7.99. Minus the 340 minus 229 equals, so yeah, it's $4 and let's say uh, $4.31. Now remember, you bought it 100 of those. Now you made off of $29. You guys made $431. Okay. Now let's say for this, I want to order, and per piece they give me at least, it says between 6 cents and 29 cents. So let's just say it's 15 cents. Okay, guys, clear that up. It says 15 cents per piece, and I ordered 1,000 of those. Oh, excuse me, 1,000. So I'm spending $150. Okay. Now, you multiply that. Okay, so I'm spending $150. But okay, what was my per piece? Was it 431? Okay, so clear that off. Remember, it's 431. Actually, it's gonna be $8 minus 3.4 minus 0.515 equals 445. I got 1,000 pieces. So I spent $150 to earn potentially $4,450. So guys, that's why, and this is just a very good profit margin here, and that's just if you buy things at 50 cents per piece. Just say you bought it at $1. That's still a good profit margin just for this one product. Now you can just add different types of products with this that cost just as cheap. Like say you want to do a headband or something like that, a lanyard or things in that nature. And as you can see right here, they got different suppliers. Team LeBron. Okay, so look at this. You can find different suppliers just by looking. And $4,430 is a pretty good profit margin for spending $150. Uh, okay, so we got the contacts in. We're gonna actually wait on their message, and then in the next video, I'll actually show you where to go to design your own. If you want to design your own packaging, your own labels, you actually can go to a site and have somebody do it for you for as little as $10 or $5, or you can do it yourself for absolutely free. Okay. Click like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.